Oh gosh. Whoops. Okay. Hi guys, it's me, Cindy, and today I'm going to play Zombie Attack. Oh gosh. Come on. Just kill all of them already. There you go. There you go. More aliens. Where are the others? Gonna. Oh, there's an alien right there. And by the way, I'm left for 100. Come on. I need that. I need that grenade. Sand monster. What does this do? Like, oh, almost 101. Just need to kill some more, or a little bit more aliens, or these aliens. Yep, worth it. Okay, there we go. Fort slime, come over here. There you go. No damage at all. Boss income. Mega tank. Where? Oh, over there. Kill him. Ah! Ah! Here's a trick. Ah. No. The trick failed. But you need to go far as you can to be a little bit more easier. Don't shoot even there. Ah. It's a little bit laggy. It's a little bit laggy. Oh. I think I need to, kinda achieve it. You can still hit Mega Tank, Zombie. Ah! No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh gosh! Need to dodge all the attacks. Come on! Almost! Come on! Kill them already! Come on, just die! Already! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, yes! Oh my god! That fell up super fast. There you go. Oh, come on. 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 Just, you know. Oh, God. Ah. Ice 80 right there. Gonna be killed. Like that. Place will go up. Ah, don't go there. Really? Oopsie. Okay, what is... I like this one better. And the grades. Sure. Unbox one. Oh no! God! Dodge him, dodge him, dodge him, dodge him. Just ignore. Don't. Steamora. I think that's okay. 1% of the legendary. Please, uncommon, 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 uncommon. Dang it! I already got this one. I can't get it anymore. I don't have any keys left. But I do want this steam ore. And I know this ore is like kind of like my favorite ore, but just gonna get the steam ore I try. In the next wave. Yeah, in the next wave. Tank lava alien. Power up. Thank you. Thank you for the super speed. Oh, it just ran out. Well, thank you anyway. Even though I kinda don't really need that. Still love it. And super speed. Because that's how much I love super speed. Oh. Oh gosh. I did not notice that. I'm just gonna get up here just for making this filled up. Okay, now just go down here and I just kill some more zombies or aliens. Most of them are just literally aliens, not zombies. And ooh, this is a pretty cool effect. But sorry, I love this one better. I just like it. Oh, oh gosh. Aliens, just, yeah, this is just not my better. Okay. Oh gosh. Come on, grenade. I need that blaster. I really need it. Wait. Leave sword. I own that sword? Wait, inventory. Oh my god, need to equip that. Oh my gosh. I really needed that. Okay, seriously, I really needed that. Okay, I'm back. Oh, really? Really? Well, at least I got this leaf sword to test on. Ooh, one hit. Another one hit. And another one. Another one hit. Okay. This is kind of like a one-hit sword. Oh, grenade! Grenade! Ooh. Sand monster right there. And then Sympathy. And there's the lava zombie right there. Oh gosh. A lot of people are crowded by zombies, and then I need to. Really? Wait just a minute. There I go back. Just cracking my. Of course. Oh gosh, 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 oh. Sorry about that. Need to go upstairs. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Need to start firing right there. Ah. Why does zombies so annoying? Ah, shut, shoo. Oh, shoo. Shut. Oh god, oh gosh. Ah, no. I'm gonna die soon. Never mind. Not so soon. Never mind. Yeah, I might die pretty soon. And this is literally having a limited time one, like the limited time recorder. Really. Come on. There you go. Okay, so that's the way that's it for the video. So yeah. Really zombie. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. And really, zombie, really, do you really have to do this? Really? And those zombies won't leave me alone. These zombies will not leave me alone. It won't let me finish the outro. Okay, so just like and subscribe if you really just want to. And yeah, definitely not bragging. And I will see you guys at the time. Gosh, bye.